Hi, welcome to the Craft Channel. My name's Corinne Bradd, and I've got another nice idea for you for Christmas, especially if you're gifting books this year, which is a little corner tab bookmark. And this simply slips on and off the page. But because it sits inside the corner, it won't get damaged. I'm going to show you how to make the tree design, and this will sit proud of the book because you've obviously got your branches of your tree. So it's very easy to make. Get yourself a square of paper. Now I'd suggest you don't use more than about 160 gram paper because otherwise it does become difficult to fold. Take it right side out and fold it in half, diagonally. Give it a crease and then fold it again diagonally. So you have a centre mark. Take this top point and fold it down halfway, like so. Take your sides and fold them points to point. Like so. And then if you unfold them and then simply fold them up against that diagonal to recreate the square. Like this. And then open it out and you've got a pocket there, if you can see that. So these are your points, this is your pocket. Just tuck your points into your pocket and press it down flat. And that gives you the pocket to put over the edge of your page. Now if you're going to turn it into a tree, what I suggest you do is find a pencil and a ruler, pop your tree design on your gridded cutting mat, and if I'd had some foresight I wouldn't have used bluey green paper on a blue cutting mat, but I'm committed now, so I'm sorry about that. And then just draw, say a 7mm line, about 2 centimetres down from the top, and then a slightly longer line, about 12mm, a couple of centimetres down from that. Grab your scissors, cut along those lines through all the layers. Like so. And if you're using a thinner paper, what you can do is you can simply fold them down like I have on this foiled paper. Fold them down at the back. If you're using like 160 gram cardstock, you will find it a bit of a job. So you'll actually just need to cut from there. But don't, whatever you do, cut from that fold to that fold. Otherwise, you'll cut away the integrity of your corner marker. And that gives you the shape of your tree branches and still allows you to pop it over the corner of the page. And what you'll see is if you actually cut those tree branches out, it will sit flush with the page. If you fold them, because you've got folded paper there, you can't get it right over the corner. But you can do it for adults, say for children. And the other tip that I would give you, it's not necessary on something like this scrapbooking paper because it's quite sturdy, but if you're going to use a thinner paper, what I would do is just put a bit of scrap card inside, cut it to the shape just to give it a bit of strength. So there you go. Nice little Christmas tree bookmarks, or if you want to make them for any other time of year, you can use the same easy pocket method just to make a bookmark, to make that literary gift a little bit extra special. Hope you like that. I hope you'll come and see us again very, very soon. If you subscribe, you'll get a notification whenever we put a new video up. And we've got lots of festive ideas coming over the next few weeks and months. Thanks for watching, keep safe, and I'll see you soon. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.